In the heart of Melanesia, Fiji's Yasawa Islands reveal a coral paradise where turquoise lagoons meet endless horizons. Underwater, a world of silent beauty unfolds.
Waterfalls carve through Samoa's ancient volcanic forests, nourishing lush banyan trees and vibrant life.
Ancient rainforests of the Solomon Islands pulse with life, home to plants found nowhere else on Earth. Micronesia's Palau welcomes you to its UNESCO lagoon of floating limestone forests and impossibly clear waters.
Bora Bora, the jewel of Polynesia, where dramatic volcanic peaks embrace a heart-shaped turquoise lagoon.
Fragile coral atolls of the Marshall Islands cradle lush coconut groves and resilient island vegetation.
Thank you for watching RP Tiwari Neo. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more visual wonders.